Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are safe and doing well. In Indian Railways, due to rapid electrification, diesel locomotives are phasing out gradually. On board Howrah NJP Suvidha Special, I have spotted many diesel locomotives. Haldiwari Kolkata Tri-Weekly Intercity Express. Station Dhumdangi, Zone NFR, Division Katihar. Kamakha Puri Express. Station 3 Mile Hat. Balurghat passenger. Katihar Malda Town passenger. Station Harishchandrapur. Twin ALCo hauling a long freight, loco name Shakti, shed Kharagpur. Guwahati Shialda Kanchenjunga Express. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and turn on all notification bell. Your likes, comments and share will inspire us. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram as SPD Rail Fan. Keep in touch with us always. Happy and safe rail fanning. Thank you.